Or just
All right, look, I want to go through this, okay? Now look, I love y'all. We're going to go a little quick. Okay? Y'all have got to start picking up on this nomenclature where you can start rolling through it. Yes. I have uploaded all sorts of YouTube videos. If you go onto my channel and you look for any video that says nomenclature in it, that is what you're looking at.
Hey, are we recording right now?
You're recording.
Okay. Do we have a video?
Whoa, you got really close to that just now.
So is this going to be what's on the page?
Yes, all is fair game. Today is just a review day. This is not a day where I'm teaching new stuff.
All like what? Like from the beginning or from this lesson?
From the beginning, all is fair game.
Let's go.
All right, so in this, okay, somebody said they're having a lot of trouble with memorizing these polyatomics. Understand that. That's why I gave you the shortcut method. I gave you the easier way to memorize, the easier way to get it. What's phosphate?
P. PO, sorry.
PO43 negative.
Yes.
Time out on the field. Mr. Charles got to get a new black marker. Time in, new black marker. Okay, PO4. 3 negative. What's carbonate?
CO32 negative.
Chlorate.
ClO3 negative.
The shortcut to memorizing these. Remember those. Off of your polyatomic list. I don't know where mine's at. Off your polyatomic. Arsenate. Borate. Bromate. Carbonate. Chlorate. Chromate.
What's the second one?
Iodate. Manganate. Any one of those that are ending in 8, forget trying to memorize all the ites. Memorize the 8. If you memorize the 8, and then from there, you can work it to get to the ite. If I wanted to turn phosphate into phosphite, what do?
You take one oxygen away.
I take 1 oxygen away. So now that's phosphite. If I want hypophosphite, it's what?
CO2.
If I want perphosphate,
The only
Yeah, and
hypo
oxygen.
on here is chloride.
do what?
The only hypo on here is hypochlorite.
But I taught you how to get the hypo.
You're going to give us a periodic table.
Yeah, the periodic table will be given to you.
And we can still do the thing, just spit out all the information on our little periodic table.
You talking dumping? Yes. What is it?
I don't know where they're
Did you start the ones that will be the tricky ones?
Okay. You got to be able to realize the rules you need to use and how to work from it. You got to start spitting these out, guys. Simple as that. You've got to start spitting it out. Name that. Mine was all highlighted. Oh, there it is.
essential. If we have 100%, can we fail? Will that like color grade?
Not in totality.
What?
Not totality. No.
And what would it bring us down to? Bring us a whole, like, whole
You're looking at probably about 50 point quick mark. So if you want to look, say you bond it, take the points you have now, take the points possible, add 50 to it, divide the points you have. Divide it. And what y'all got? Got it yet?
No, nothing.
Okay. All right. Take your time. I'll give you another one over here. Oh.
What? Mr. Hall, there's three.
Three what?
There's three.
Three what?
C-A-C-O-3.
I mean, there's three.
Oh, it's C and A. But it's not a polyatomic. It doesn't have a charge.
You got that look on your face like,
You got this. I know you have this.
lying to us only makes it worse. We don't know, I don't know.
All right.
But it can't be, it can't be carbonate because it doesn't have the charge.
What's this?
Calcium.
What's calcium? What type of bonds does calcium form?
Oh, what? Is it, yeah, two.
Well, I know that.
So it's going to form an ionic bond? So calcium has a 2+. What's the charge on the carbonate?
How's that carbonate?
Negative. A two negative?
It's not by itself. I have it with a +2 charge. It tells you there's that -2.
Oh my gosh.
Calcium carbonate.
So it doesn't have to have a charge up there with it if it's with something in the second column.
If it's bonded with something at all, it does not have to have a charge because it will not show that charge.
Okay.
Now, if it's by itself, what you're talking about is whenever I did this, and there is a distinct difference.
So there will never be a time when there's 3 elements and 2 of them don't make a polyatomic.
In the case that we're in right now in this class, correct.
Can we dump on this test?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anybody watching this video that just heard that, dump on this test. It's like, okay, so like when the periodic table hits your desk, I make you clear your desk, the periodic table hits your desk. You got all this in your mind.
Write it all down.
So then it's like as soon as it hits your desk, you're just, you're dumping all the information you're trying to remember. So like all of your 8s, so phosphates, iodate, chromates, all those, all that, you're just dumping it. Okay, which one of these is a polyatomic?
The one on the right.
One on the right.
Yeah, that one's carbon dioxide.
Carbon trioxide. That's right. In that case, you're correct. But here I have it bonded with something. You got to pay. That's what I said. We're piecing stuff together now, starting to come together. This calcium has a +2 charge. For this calcium to be connected to the SCO3, that means there has to be a 2 negative there.
Is that when you? Is this when you broke it down and like you put like the charges with it? You wrote it again and put the charges with it, and then you circled them and crossed them up top, like to get the charges.
If you have
And if we know carbonate is a negative 2.
Yes.
So if you have carbonate, you can't bond it with something that has a 1, like a plus or minus.
No, you can.
Can, but would that change the charge? Would it make it negative instead of?
The negative 2 stays.
But
It can have it.
But wait, if it's with,
So like, okay, like in this case, if we did,
show me an example.
do like hydrogen carbonate.
well, we can't do that.
Or do like lithium carbonate.
Okay, we'll do lithium carbonate. All right, so you're taking lithium carbonate in this case. I know you are not all talking chemistry right now. Okay, you got lithium carbonate here. Okay, take away from the name the information that you can. Lithium. What's the charge on lithium? Plus 1. Carbonate. You have to memorize carbonate, and it's a 2 negative. So now we got a cross. Okay, so this 1 comes here, this 2 goes there. So it's Li2CO3.
Okay. I understand.
Hold on. Okay, I see why
Good.
those. I was wondering why there wasn't a 2 for the Ca and the Ca, but they cancel out.
Yep. Hey, if you got questions as we're going, today's the day to ask. Sodium iodate.
You told us you was going to do 2 tricks on azide and peroxide. Can you show us how you're going to do those tricks?
I said they would be good tricks.
Does that mean you're not going to use them then?
If I gave you lithium azide, Li(N3),
Li what?
N3,
No, sorry.
azide's N3 negative.
Important question. If we do bond it, will we have any opportunity to bring it up before the board?
Yes, you will have time to bring it up, but it gets harder from here. Stop asking if you're going to bomb this thing. You're not going to bomb this thing. If you come into this thing with the attitude, the mentality that you're going to bomb it, then you're coming in with the wrong thing. This is your attitude when you walk in that door tomorrow. You walk in this door tomorrow and you look and say, I'm going to show Mr. Hall up. Nobody passed that last, I'm going to get an A in his face. And when I get it, I'm going to throw it in his face. And I'm going to take a bottle of water and drop it like it's a mic. Say, in your face. Yeah. You come in here with some confidence. You know what you're doing. Sodium iodate.
NaIO3. Oh, look at that. You know, at first when you were saying bomb, I thought you said bomb.
That is so sad.
This has a positive, has a negative. They're bonded together, we ain't going to show the charge.
Cancel.
They can take the following students in the office, please. Daniel Reed, Torrin Morgan, Jaden Flinger, Lexi
I
Cook,
got the 3 from iodate.
Caitlin Bly,
Polyatomic.
Elisa Hicks, Sarah Hull,
Hello.
Atkins,
If you're watching this video, ignore the announcements right now and take some time and study your polyatomic.
Davis,
Because you need to know them.
Jaden Klein, and Madison
You
Hill.
look so mean.
No wonder you only get like 6 views.
Let's do more.
And get a whole bunch of dislikes.
Everything sucks.
Alright, look.
Do some more.
You know, for the heck of it, you should pick one Lewis.
Y'all know how evil I am, right?
Yes. Oh gosh. Do it. I can't do it. No. Draw.
Lewis Structure. Oh, please, people. We've been on. We were on Lewis Structures for at least 3 weeks.
No, more than that. Doesn't mean we remember, Braxton.
Hey, we got this.
Guys, we're not even at the evil part yet.
Just lay it on us.
Just anticipation.
Oh, okay.
Can you make a Lewis structure of a polygon? God bless it, Mr. Hall.
Okay, well, I'm glad you're doing this, because now we're going to be prepared.
I was like,
Draw a proper Lewis structure of carbonate. Remember when I told you all this is going to start linking together? You're learning how to name things, so I no longer have to spell it out for you. I just get to name it. You have to be able to spell it out.
What happened to you saying we weren't learning anything new today?
This isn't. This is combining two things together. Can you give me the chemical formula for carbonate? Can you draw a Lewis structure? The truth of it is there's countless examples in your notes. You've already done this. You did it without knowing you did it.
I don't like it.
Wait a minute. I think I can do this. I think God.
Because we're pinched on time. I'm going to jump into this. Alright. Okay. Is anybody leaving early today besides like the VOTEC at a normal time?
Can you call some for you?
I'll be in school room. I'm going to try and get something together for you.
We'll probably have like 10 minutes. You might feel like it's working out with talking about it.
Alright, carbonate, CO3, 2 negative. First thing you have to know is know that in order for you to get it correct. Alright, center atom. Carbon, draw the skeleton.
Oh my God, I think I need it.
Give everything a full octet. Yes, I'm flying through this because you should be able to do this. Add everything up from what you have. So I have 1 carbon, 1 times 4 is 4. Then I have 3 oxygens, and they have 6 valence electrons. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. I got to add 2 because I got a negative 2 here. Gives me 24 electrons to show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Show too many. Double bond it, erase, and then show all of your resonance.
Yeah, charges.
I do have to do the charge. Negative, negative.
Huh?
Have questions, come see me at lunch. I'm out in front of the boys' restroom, and I'm also near second lunch.